What strategy in crypto has an almost 100% chance of winning? Is it technical analysis? Is it fundamental analysis? Is it momentum analysis? No, it's knowing more than the rest. It's having insider information. The problem is that trading with insider information is illegal. If you know for certain that a token will be listed on Binance, for example, you just buy before that and then you sell afterwards, you just made yourself liable. You might go to jail or at least pay a very hefty fine. The opposite of insider trading is just random gambling, following whatever the crowd is currently doing. But there is a middle ground here. There is a gray area, and the gray area is where the money is made. And this is where the premium membership is focusing on. Let me give you an analogy. Let's say you're trading in the stock market and you're speculating on company takeovers, company A buying company B. And usually the stock of company B, once that gets announced, shoots up in price. Now it's illegal to secretly buy company B's stock if you're part of the management of company A. But let's say you're using public information very, very smart. Let's say you're tracking the flights of the private jets of company A. And you notice that suddenly company A is always flying to the small town where a potential small competitor is, where company A actually doesn't have any offices or any production facilities. You might see where I'm going here, right? The likelihood of company A buying company B in that small town obviously increases a lot. You can buy company B stock. You've only used public information. You simply just analyze the data that was publicly available a bit better than others. The money is made in gaining an information edge over the rest of the public market. Now the crypto market is perfect to gain that information edge because all transactions are 100% public and we can reverse engineer who owns what wallet. So we built the skills and the tools to find out what wallet belongs to what YouTuber. Very often you see a YouTuber buying secretly a small cryptocurrency to then later make a video on this, promoting it on their channel, pushing it up. All the following is buying and then the influencer sells and takes all the profit, dumping on its own audience. His audience makes losses, the influencer makes gains. But if we have the wallet of the influencer and we track that wallet, we get notifications whenever the influencer buys and sells. Then we can buy together with the influencer before he's releasing that on YouTube or before he's tweeting this out. So what you're about to see in this video is what premium is all about. What kind of tools do we have? What kind of alerts do we have? What kind of trading history do we have? What we are doing here is not insider trading. It's simply just using the public information better than others. We are tracking the flights. We are tracking the private jets in crypto. Have a look at this. This is a Telegram influencer alerts channel and we've got various influencer wallets in here. Jesse Eckel, The Calculator Guy, James Pelton, Crypto Gains, Alex Becker, etc. We are adding new influencers pretty much every day. There's a new wallet added at least once a day. And again, knowing when influencers buy and sell gives us an information edge. Whenever an influencer buys heavily into a cryptocurrency and he hasn't yet talked about this on his YouTube, chances are he will. And with that video, more attention is brought on the asset. More attention means more buys, means a rising price. Can you see here where the alpha, where the outperformance is coming from? It's not anymore drawing just random lines on charts. It's knowing more than others. Or have a look at this. This is our recent discovery from another YouTuber. This is posted in our wallets research Telegram group. What you see over here are fractions of his wallet. We know the beginning, we know the end. We don't know the rest though. Let's say most people don't know the rest. We do. Part of Premium is a tool set for blockchain analytics. That helps us find various wallets. That also helps us find out what are currently retail people doing versus what are the whales doing. You might have seen this on this channel on YouTube, right? Sometimes I say retail is buying and the whales are selling. This is part of those tool sets. Now there's also a tool that helps us find wallets based on those characters. So have a look at this. There is a influencer wallets find by characters tool. And over here, we can enter the wallet beginning and the wallet end. Then the entire blockchain is being scanned. All kinds of different blockchains, not just Ethereum, but also Optimism, Arbitrum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, etc. All those blockchains are scanned for an existence of that wallet. If there's ever been a transaction for that wallet, it will pop up over here. We can search by beginning and end of a wallet. We can also search just by the beginning of a wallet or just by the end of a wallet and get all kinds of potential matches. So we built a community here in Premium to hunt for wallets. We make screenshots of all kinds of influencers. We post them in the Telegram groups. We use our blockchain analytics tools to find the entire wallet. We put this into our alert bot. Then whenever the influencer is buying or selling, we know it beforehand. Now here's the thing, right? It's maybe not that easy to use these tools. And so that's why we've got specific tutorial videos just for Premium. There's a half-hour video just on how to use the wallet discovery tool. And of course also this tool, what are retail people doing versus what are the whales doing, right? Something you've probably seen on YouTube in prior videos. It's all explained in the Premium tutorial section, how to use the tools, how to interpret the data, etc. So not only do you get alerts when influencers are buying and selling, not only do you get the wallets that they own, you also learn how to find new wallets and how to set your own influencer alerts. The bull market is in full swing, and having more knowledge than others here will make money. Not just random luck money, but real money that is justified by knowing more than others. There are all kinds of Telegram groups where we discuss what are influencers buying and selling, where we discuss what other altcoins might be interesting, where we look very closely at the market. Now I know this Premium membership isn't cheap. It's $75 US per month, but I strongly believe that you will make that money back. Now, if you feel in the first week that you do not get adequate value for that payment, simply message me in the first 7 days and I will refund you 100%. In case you haven't yet, you can also check out all kinds of feedbacks that I've collected in the last days. It simply does spread out through the website. Feel free to check that out. There's really not much risk. You're really not risking those $75 or $750. What you're doing here is not consumption. It's an investment in your skills, and not having those skills is probably more expensive even than paying for Premium. Thanks for watching. Looking very much forward to seeing you in the Premium Telegram groups. Cheers.